If humans were to disappear from the Earth for an extended period, such as 3,000 years, the planet's ecosystems would undergo profound changes, marking a new chapter in Earth's natural history. 1. Urban relics. Cities and structures would decay and erode over time, leaving behind remnants of human civilization. These ruins could become archaeological wonders for any intelligent species or future civilization that might arise. 2. Ecological succession. Nature would undergo extensive ecological succession, with plant life reclaiming urban areas and human-altered landscapes. Forests would thrive, reshaping the geography, and ecosystems would evolve to establish new balances. 3. Extensive reforestation. Deforested regions would experience extensive reforestation. Trees would recolonize areas once cleared for agriculture or urban development, promoting biodiversity and creating new habitats for wildlife. 4. Wildlife evolution. In the absence of direct human influence, natural selection and evolution would shape wildlife over the millennia. Species might adapt to the changing environments, evolving to fill ecological niches and possibly giving rise to new forms of life. 5. Climate stabilization. With the reduction in anthropogenic greenhouse gas emissions, the climate would likely stabilize over time. However, the long-lasting effects of past human activities could still influence climate patterns for an extended period. 6. Geological impact. Human infrastructure would continue to decay, with remnants buried and altered by natural processes. Plastics and other synthetic materials might persist in the geological record, creating markers of the Anthropocene era. 7. Oceans and water bodies. Marine ecosystems would recover from overfishing, pollution, and other human-induced stressors. Coral reefs, damaged by climate change, might have a chance to regenerate. The health of oceans would improve over time. 8. Archaeological discoveries. Archaeologists of future civilizations, whether human or extraterrestrial, might study the traces of human existence, preserved artifacts, buried cities, and geological anomalies could provide insights into Earth's past inhabitants. 9. Extinction and adaptation. Some species that adapted to human-altered landscapes might face challenges in the absence of those environments, leading to extinctions. Simultaneously, other species could evolve to exploit new opportunities created by the changing landscape. 10. Unpredictable evolutionary paths. The absence of direct human interference could lead to the emergence of unforeseen evolutionary paths. New species might evolve to fill ecological roles, creating ecosystems distinct from those observed in the human-dominated era. In summary, a 3,000-year absence of humans would result in Earth's ecosystems undergoing extensive natural transformations. It would be a testament to the resilience of nature and the ability of life to adapt, evolve, and reorganize in the face of changing environmental conditions.